Welcome to another episode of Totes McBandon. Come have an explore with me. Oh boy, this one is not used to a moving deck. Well, I am from the kayak, but oh man, this is like part of the steel mill back here. While I was yakking, I wasn't gonna do it, but figure why not. Very unprepared. Oh, give me a moment. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Whew. Oh, it's so warm out. Alright, let's get through this stuff. You see my attire. Not really, wasn't really ready for abandoned exploration. So like, alright, let's get in here. I don't have my headlamp, that kind of sucks. So hopefully... Oh wow, it's a big old door. Oh, there's a light still on. Oh, there's so many bugs in here. Definitely, you could hear power. Nothing's on. Oh, geez. Now it's completely flooded in here. I'm not going to be able to get in and around this stuff. Oh, catwalk up there. I want to get up there and walk around. Well, see if we could explore this a little bit here. I wish it wasn't flooded. No way around it, huh? Well, all right then. Thanks for coming along on this short episode of Talk to McBandon. You know what? Hold on. Let's give me a moment. We're gonna go to that open door that I see. Should I climb up there? Yeah, it's a big no. Probably could get away with it. But yeah, no thank you, Dev. Made a little bit too much moving noises for me. I don't know, the door is behind some fencing that looks like it can't get... Oh, wait. Alright, check out it. from this side, God, this machinery is freaking crazy. Man, it looks wild from this angle. I mean, it looks crazy from the other angle too, but wow. The size of this machinery. Freaking crazy. Big old chains. It looks like all these chains ran across these rails up top. This one goes outside. Oh, it just stops right there, maybe for loading and unloading stuff. I don't know. It holds 5 tons. Man, it's a beast of an engine. That's what it looks like, an engine. I don't know. I don't know shit about shit. But, sweet. Well. Almost sounded like there was a car coming down here. I was like, fuck. I don't know. Behind us, I'm pretty sure like security still comes and checks in on this stuff every once in a while just to make sure it's, I don't know, standing or something, or no tomfoolery is going on. But anyways, yeah, thanks for coming along on this episode. Man, I really want to climb these ladders, but I'm too terrified. Okay, for real this time. Thanks for coming along on another episode of Toast McBandon. Come have another explore with me sometime. Bye!